Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Jira to manage projects, track issues, or collaborate with your team, this video is going to make your life a lot easier. Today, I'll show you exactly how to export data from Jira step by step so you can easily analyze, share, or report your work in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share the best format to use for smooth reporting. Let's get started. First, log into your Jira account. Once you're in, go to Your Work. This is your main dashboard where you'll find all your current issues, projects, and activities. Next, click on the Filters tab from the top navigation bar, then choose View All Issues. This will bring up a complete list of tasks, bugs, and tickets related to your projects. Basically, everything you might want to export. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an Export button. Click it to open the Export menu. From here, select Export CSV. This format is highly recommended because it works perfectly with Excel, Google Sheets, and most data visualization tools CSVs. Keep your columns clean and easy to filter, ideal for audits, reporting, or trend analysis. Once you hit export, save the file to your preferred location, whether it's your downloads folder or a dedicated project folder. Keep in mind, if your Jira board has a large data set, it might take a few extra seconds to generate the file. When it's ready, open your CSV in your favorite spreadsheet tool. From there, you can sort, filter, analyze, or share your Jira data any way you want. Perfect for creating dashboards, performance reports, or even visual charts. And that's it, your complete guide to exporting data from Jira. Simple, quick, and super efficient. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another productivity tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.